I'm very delighted and honored to be here. On behalf of Microsoft Research, I would like to extend our warm welcome to all of you. We're super excited to see so many researchers, scientists, scholars, and students in both academia and the industry with different backgrounds from across the world gather at Microsoft Research Summit to explore the research frontiers and discuss some of the most pressing questions facing our research community today. At Microsoft Research Asia, we are committed to creating a world-class innovation environment that is collaborative, open, and sustainable. And we are always seeking to collaborate closely with our research partners from academia and industry. Throughout the week, we'll be hosting a series of workshops covering topics such as responsible AI, networking, green cloud computing, content creation, and wireless sensing. Advances in science and technology, such as in the area of AI, are changing the way people live and work. It is of paramount importance for us to make sure that whatever technology we develop, we only boost humanity rather than undermining it. In 2016, Microsoft created a set of principles to guide the responsible creation and use of AI. These principles target fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. This June, we further released a set of Microsoft Responsible AI standards as our commitment to ethical principles that put people first. Still, big gaps remain in how to connect technology with humanity. And that brings us to today's workshop, Responsible AI, an interdisciplinary approach. It reflects our firm belief on the importance of creating forums for in-depth and open dialogues between computer scientists and sociologists, psychologists, neuroscientists, jury consultants, communication scholars, and many more. This is the necessary first step for us to gain diverse and comprehensive perspectives and to spark meaningful conversations on how new technologies can bring the most benefits to humanity. I hope you will all enjoy the talks and debates during the workshop and contribute to the critical mission of creating technology that serves humanity responsibly. Thank you.